Well, a good Monday to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome everyone to my home in the sticks. And I hope everybody's having a good Monday and a good start to a new week. But over here in East Central Mississippi, we in the middle 70s right now. Sure enough nice to be outside. Before we get started on today's video, I'm always going to say that if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over here, I sure enough thank you for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is Lord of mercy. My dang deck floor caved in. Give me a second, I'm finna show you. Dan, what in the heck now about falling through the floor? Well, this was on my to-do list because I actually fell through this floor for the decking. Look there. Hope y'all can see that all right. There we go. And this is just an extension off of my deck that's out the back of my shop. And this is roughly maybe a 4x8 area, roughly. This whole deck has been down probably, I put it in maybe 15 years ago. And this thing finally actually caved in when I walked through it. You know, when we was tiptoeing around this thing like that, make sure you didn't fall in the center. But what happened is all of the 2x6s that I used to actually build the frame for the deck were actually rotted out because I don't have this side of the deck covered yet. I plan on doing that sooner or later. The one thing that I've come to discover is lumber, especially pressure treated lumber, has become extremely expensive. And you and y'all know that I'm all about reusing and repurposing everything that I possibly can. I'm gonna put some pictures up because I worked on this a couple of weeks ago, but I'll put some pictures up and show you what I did. I actually reused each and every one of these deck boards. These guys are expensive. These are 1x4s if I'm not mistaken, all pressure treated. Well, they call it deck boards. But that stuff is expensive. I can see, you could probably tell the different colors of the boards. It's because I flipped them around and I reused them. The one thing that I didn't do in my haste, because 15 years ago I just built it. But the one thing that I didn't do, and my dad always did tell me, especially on these deck boards, I don't know if you can see it, but actually these deck boards have kind of like a crown or a circle. And you want to put these boards, if the circle is pointing down, you want to put this board facing down. So when it does get wet, it won't bow up this way. It'll bow that way, hopefully. But I didn't do that. And I should have done it 15 years ago. But yeah, it is what it is. So this was a little undertaking for old Dan because, for one, I can't afford to buy the pressure treated lumber for this. I guess I could, but it's just really expensive. So I just utilized what I had on hand. Y'all know I have a lot of reclaimed wood that I hang on to. Anything that I tear down, if I could salvage it, reuse it, I save it. And basically that's what I did with this deck. And I'm here to tell you, it's sure enough built now. There ain't gonna be no caving through. Hopefully this guy will last another 15 years. I know it'll last if I go on and cover this section up with some tin and just build an addition onto it, which is something that I'm gonna do. Possum Butt and I were looking at it yesterday, and it's not gonna be too hard to do. It's just acquiring the lumber. I think it's gonna cost about 160 bucks just to cover this little 4-foot section up. But this is what I wanted to show y'all. Something that I've been wanting to do because it was extremely dangerous walking out here on this side of the deck, and which was evident because my foot went through it. And when I say my foot went through it, it didn't go all the way through it. It's just the bracing broke and the boards were, you know, bowing up. So yeah. Well, there you have it. Just a little do-it-yourself project that I completed a couple of weeks ago over here at the home place. Really needed to get that deck fixed, and now it is solid as a rock. I just need to get it covered up because I want to put my 2 smokers out there on the back deck, get them from the front, but you know, small steps. And then I want to get it covered. And I am all about reusing, reclaiming, and repurposing anything that I possibly can. So again, I hope everybody's having a good Monday, and I hope everybody stays safe this week amid this crisis that we still have going on. If y'all like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up to help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home Mistakes channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over and give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff. With that being said, you know it's coming, Dan Reference, sure enough, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on, get your build on, be you, it's important. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.